So I am here in Germany and it is snowing and freezing here, and I just stopped by the post office to check my mail, and I have a package from USCIS, which is the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. And you all know that I have been ordering and finding and ordering all of these documents so that I can apply for Italian citizenship. Well, I think what's in this package is the naturalization document from my great-grandfather, Antonio Abruzzi. So, in the process of applying for citizenship, I have to show my direct descent from my Italian-born ancestor down through myself. And one of the things that it's my burden to prove is that line of descent, that bloodline, wasn't broken. So a lot of people who immigrate to America from Italy, when they come to America, they naturalize or they become American and they are no longer an Italian citizen, which my great-grandfather did. He naturalized. So I have to show that he naturalized after my grandmother was born. If he had naturalized before she was born, then the bloodline is broken. But if I can show that she was born first while he was still an Italian citizen, before he naturalized, that means that the line of Italian citizenship carried on to my grandmother, which carried on to my father. So I'm about to see if what I think is in here, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. 7 pages. I don't understand what all this is. Oh my gosh. This is in response to your request for access to historical information found in agency immigration records regarding Antonio Abruzzi. You requested a copy of the subject's C file or naturalization certificate for genealogy records request. We have completed the review of all documents and have identified 7 pages that are responsive to your request. Enclosed are 6 pages released in their entirety and 1 page released in part. We have reviewed and determined to release all information except those portions that are exempt. Exemption permits the government to withhold all information about individuals in personnel, medical, and similar files where the disclosure of such information would constitute a clearly unwarranted invasion of personal privacy. The types of documents and/or information that we have withheld may consist of birth certificates, naturalization certificates, driver's licenses, social security numbers, home addresses, dates of birth, or various other documents and/or information belonging to a third party that are considered personal. The enclosed record consists of the best reproducible copies available. Certain pages contain marks that appear to be blacked out information. The black marks were made prior to our receipt of the file and are not information that we have withheld. The genealogy program cannot provide certified copies or an original copy. In agreement with the Italian consulate and German consulate, the applicant must present the packet provided by our office that contains a photocopy of the naturalization certificate along with the USCIS genealogy program response letter that is stapled to the records along with the envelope they arrived in. Oh my goodness. As a result of discussion between agency personnel and a member of our staff, as a matter of administrative discretion, we are releasing computer codes found on system screen prints previously withheld under the exemption. There may be additional documents that contain discretionary releases of exempt information. If made, these releases are specifically identified in the responsive record. These discretionary releases do not waive our ability to invoke applicable FOIA exemptions for similar or related information in the future. You have the right to file an administrative appeal within 90 days of the date of this letter. By filing an appeal, you preserve your rights under FOIA and give the agency a chance to review and consider your request at the agency's decision. Oh my goodness. And the address to file an appeal. If you would like to discuss our response before filing an appeal, there's contact information. So, goodness gracious, what do I have here? My goodness. So the first one is, my goodness. My goodness, look at this. Look at this. Certificate of Citizenship. Wow. Wow. So let's see what the date is. Oh my gosh. My grandmother was born in January of 1920. What? I'm not sure. Well, this happened in 1935. So that's definitely after she was born. So I've got it. That's what I needed. I think that's the only page I need. Let's see. What's this? This is his petition. His petition for citizenship. And there are things that are marked out, but I don't think that I need that. The petition for citizenship. It shows that where he came from. It shows where he lived. Here's his declaration of intention to become a citizen. What is this? I guess it's, oh gosh, look at the picture. This is so amazing. There he is. Amazing. What else? Oh, it's a page saying that this is the best copy that they have available of this record. The naturalization paper. Best copy available. It's not the best. It's not the best. But I guess it's the best available. Wow. So amazing. Another. Wow. Wow. Whew! So, I didn't know I was going to get all that. I thought I was just going to have the one certificate, the naturalization document, but I have it here. I have it. I have it. Nothing's blacked out. I can read everything, and I think that's the one that I need. But hey, one more piece of the puzzle in my hands. I'm so excited. Time for the next step.